Now see this question. In this question, if you read it carefully, two resistors A and B have resistance RA and RB, and this is given like RA is less than RB. Okay. The resistivity of the materials are A and B, but nothing is given like two resistors A and B. Is their length is equal or not? Area is equal or not? No information regarding the dimensions. Already we are told like rho A less than rho B. It means that uh, I can understand like formula of resistance. Let us suppose it is rho L by A. Okay. There are few possibilities like if L and A is equal. For example, if I assume both the conductors or both the resistors is having equal L by A ratio. If I say L like this, if I assume only like this, okay, then I can say like R is directly proportional to rho. If RA is less than RB, then I can say directly with full confidence, rho A is less than rho B. That's the answer. So option C is correct. I can go with that. Clear?
Okay, sir.
But there may be a possibility that may be possible like rho A is equal to rho B and LA by LB is greater than LB by LB. Sorry, less. Okay. If it is so, then may possible like rho A is equal to rho B. Okay. So rho A less than rho B, if I assume both LA by A area is constant, for example, then I can say directly option C is correct. But there may be a possibility that length by area ratio, here area, okay, this area ratio, for example, is less than length by ratio for B, resistor B. Then we can say, and if I assume like rho A is equal to rho B, then in this case also, if you look at here also, if you take this condition here also, RA, it will give me RA less than RB. Okay. So neither option B is correct, nor C, nor A. Option D. Because nothing is given regarding rho and A. Proper relation is not given. This information is not sufficient to find the relation between rho and rho B. They should give some information regarding the length and area.
Yes.
The formula is rho L by A. Here they mention R is less than RB, but nothing is mentioned regarding length and area.
Yes.
Okay, so option D is correct. But rest of the questions are your answer key is super. Your performance is okay. Like out of 20, you got 16 marks. That's a great performance, and you can do better. Like, and these tests will help you in your JEE preparation. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Yes.
I'm stopping. Okay.